In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Zoom breakout room. If you've ever been in a Zoom meeting where the host wants smaller group discussions, breakout rooms are how that happens. The good news is you don't need to hunt through menus or change any settings yourself. You'll follow a few simple prompts, and Zoom will do the rest. First, join the Zoom meeting as you normally would. You can use the meeting link or enter the meeting ID and passcode if provided. Once you're in, make sure your Zoom window stays visible on your screen so you don't miss any prompts. If you're using headphones or a microphone, get comfortable and settle in. Nothing special is required on your end yet. You're simply waiting for the host to set things up. Next, wait for the host to assign you to a breakout room. The host controls when rooms are created and who goes where, so there may be a short pause while they organize the groups. You might hear the host announce that breakout rooms are being opened, or you might just see the prompt appear. Either way, you don't need to click anything until you're invited. When the breakout room pop-up appears, it will clearly invite you to join your assigned room, and you'll see a Join button. Click Join when you're ready. The prompt can appear in the center or near the bottom of your screen, depending on your device, so keep an eye out. If you're multitasking, bring Zoom to the front so the invite isn't hidden behind other windows. In some meetings, if you don't click right away, Zoom may move you automatically after a short countdown, but clicking Join ensures you enter promptly and don't miss the start of the small group discussion. After you click Join, you'll be moved automatically into the breakout room. You'll see a quick transition, and then you'll land in a smaller meeting space with the other participants assigned to that room. Your audio and video settings carry over, and you're ready to collaborate. You'll notice that chat and screen sharing in the breakout room are separate from the main session, which helps keep the discussion focused. If the host sends announcements, they can appear in your room, and when it's time to return to the main meeting, the host will close the rooms and you'll be brought back automatically. That's all there is to it. Join the meeting, wait for the host to assign you. Click Join on the pop-up, and Zoom takes you right into your breakout room so you can get to work without any hassle.